Building a cozy and secure haven for your feathered friends is not just a necessity, it's a responsibility that every poultry enthusiast takes seriously. A well-designed chicken coop not only provides a safe and comfortable environment for your flock but also contributes to their overall well-being and productivity. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore the essential elements that make up the foundation of a feathered sanctuary, the Vital 5 for Cozy Chicken Coops. First, space planning and design. The first pillar of a cozy chicken coop is thoughtful space planning and design. Chickens, much like humans, need space to move, roost, and nest comfortably. When planning your coop, consider the number of chickens you intend to house and allocate sufficient space accordingly. A general rule of thumb is to provide at least 2 to 3 square feet of space per chicken inside the coop and 8 to 10 square feet per chicken in the outdoor run. Key considerations for space planning and design. 1. Ventilation. Adequate ventilation is crucial for maintaining a healthy environment within the coop. Good airflow helps prevent the buildup of moisture, ammonia, and harmful gases. Install windows with adjustable vents and ensure proper cross-ventilation to promote fresh air circulation. 2. Roosting bars. Chickens love to perch at night, so include sturdy roosting bars inside the coop. Place them higher than the nesting boxes to discourage chickens from sleeping in the nests, keeping them clean and eggs-free from damage. 3. Nesting boxes. Provide comfortable nesting boxes for your hens to lay eggs. Aim for 1 nesting box for every 3 to 4 hens, and make sure they are easily accessible and well bedded with straw or other suitable bedding material. 4. Ease of cleaning. Design the coop with easy cleaning in mind. Removable trays or droppings boards beneath roosts can simplify the cleaning process. A clean coop reduces the risk of diseases and keeps your flock in top condition. 2. Climate control and insulation. Chickens are hardy animals, but they are still sensitive to extreme weather conditions. Whether you live in a region with scorching summers or freezing winters, providing climate control and insulation in the chicken coop is essential for the well-being of your flock. Key considerations for climate control and insulation. 1. Proper insulation. Insulate the walls and roof of the coop to regulate temperatures. This is especially important in colder climates. Insulation helps retain heat during winter and keeps the coop cool in the summer. Common insulation materials include fiberglass, foam boards, or even recycled denim. 2. Ventilation adjustments. While ventilation is crucial, it's essential to be able to adjust it according to the weather. Install windows with screens that can be opened or closed to control airflow. Consider adding vents with covers to protect against rain and drafts. 3. Shade and cooling. Provide shade in the outdoor run to protect chickens from excessive sunlight. In hot climates, consider adding features like misting systems or fans to cool down the coop. Chickens are sensitive to heat stress, and proper cooling measures can prevent health issues. 4. Heating options. In colder climates, consider supplemental heating. Use heat lamps or radiant heaters to keep the coop warm during chilly nights. Ensure that any heating elements are safely installed to prevent fire hazards. 3. Secure fencing and predator prevention. Creating a feathered sanctuary involves not only keeping your chickens comfortable but also safe from potential threats. Predators such as foxes, raccoons, and birds of prey can pose a significant danger to your flock. Therefore, building a secure fence and implementing predator prevention measures are crucial components of a cozy chicken coop. Key considerations for secure fencing and predator prevention. 1. Sturdy fencing. Choose high-quality fencing materials that can withstand attempts by predators to break in. Consider using hardware cloth with small mesh sizes, burying it at least a foot underground to prevent digging predators from entering the coop. 2. Electric fencing. Adding an electric fence around the chicken coop can be an effective deterrent for larger predators. Make sure it is properly installed and maintained to provide reliable protection. 3. Secure locks. Install secure locks on all coop entrances, including doors and windows. Raccoons, in particular, are known for their dexterity, so choose locks that are not easily manipulated. 4. Elevated coop. Elevating the coop off the ground can make it more difficult for predators to access. Ensure there are no gaps or openings beneath the coop where predators could gain entry. 4th, feeding and watering systems. A well-fed and properly hydrated flock is a happy and healthy one. Implementing efficient feeding and watering systems is crucial for ensuring your chickens receive the nutrition and hydration they need. Key considerations for feeding and watering systems. 1. Automatic feeders. Invest in automatic feeders to ensure your chickens have access to a consistent and controlled supply of feed. This not only saves time but also helps prevent issues like overfeeding or food contamination. 2. Watering systems. Provide clean and easily accessible water for your chickens. Consider automatic waterers or nipple drinkers to keep water clean and prevent spillage. Hydration is crucial for egg production and overall health. 3. Secure storage. Store feed securely in containers that are rodent-proof and resistant to moisture. Proper storage prevents contamination and ensures the feed remains fresh and nutritious. 4. Supplemental nutrition. Depending on your chicken's needs, consider supplementing their diet with calcium, grit, or other necessary nutrients. Consult with a poultry nutritionist to determine the appropriate supplements for your flock. 5th, enrichment and entertainment. Chickens are intelligent and social animals that thrive on mental and physical stimulation. Including elements of enrichment and entertainment in your chicken coop not only improves their well-being but also reduces stress and boredom. Key considerations for enrichment and entertainment. 1. Dust bathing areas. Chickens love to dust bathe to keep their feathers clean and healthy. Provide a designated dust bathing area with fine sand or dust for them to indulge in this natural behavior. 2. Perches and platforms. Install various perches and platforms at different heights inside the coop and run. This encourages chickens to explore and exercise, promoting good physical health. 3. Toys and treats. Introduce toys such as hanging mirrors, pecking blocks, or hanging vegetables to keep your chickens entertained. Occasional treats, such as mealworms or fruit, can be scattered around the coop to encourage foraging. 4. Natural elements. Incorporate natural elements like logs, branches, or grass into the coop to create a more stimulating environment. Chickens enjoy pecking at and exploring these natural elements. In creating a feathered sanctuary for your chickens, attention to detail is key. The vital 5 for Cozy Chicken Coops: space planning and design, climate control and insulation, secure fencing and predator prevention, feeding and watering systems, and enrichment and entertainment, form the foundation of a healthy, happy, and productive flock. Did you find these tips exciting? If you want more feather-friendly advice, hit subscribe and ring that notification bell. The next video is just around the corner, and you won't want to miss it. Until then, happy clucking!